Hey guys, I just wanted to show a little video of what I use to help Gracie when I trim her nails. When I first got her, there was no trimming her nails at all, and this would be, I think, honestly, it was probably 8 to 10 months before I got to trim her nails for the first time. And this is probably the 4th time that I'm going to trim them, and she has her favorite oil that she likes. She's very sensitive to it, so I don't apply any to her directly right now. I just make sure that I wear it. Hey baby. And we'll see how this goes. Grace. Hi. What you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good job. You're all right. You're okay. You already know something's going on, don't ya? Don't ya? I know, but you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
I will do this.
Here. Come here. Oh. Okay. There we go. That's a better position. Yes. Yeah. She's gonna need to get brushed later too. All right. Good job, Gracie. Good job. Good job, baby girl. Good job. Good job. Where's your claw? Good job. All right, we gotta switch feet. There we go. You're okay. Good job. Just gotta see what I'm doing. Oh, thanks for the help, Molly. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You've got so much hair. I don't want to go too short. And so this does make a mess doing it here in my house, but she is the most relaxed when I try to work with her on the couch. So I just prepare to clean up after, and that's okay. Good job. Did I already do that one? Yes, I did. Okay. Can I see your back leg? It's a little awkward, but you get it. Good job. You're okay. You're okay. I know. You're okay. You're okay. Good girl. Good girl. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, I know. Good job. Good job. Good job, Gracie. Now you just have your other foot, and then you're done. You just have your other foot, and then you're done. Can I see this foot? No, Molly. Thank you. Good job, Gracie. Oh, you got one last leg. You got one toe left. Gracie, come here. You have one toe left. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Just a minute, sweetie. Hey, where are you going? Come here. Come here. Come here, Gracie. Come here. Oh. Come here. Okay, we'll do it there. That's okay. Just a minute, Joy. All right, last nail, big girl. You're alright. You're okay. It's just one toe left. You're okay. Good job. Oh, Molly, can you turn the light on, please? Mommy needs to see. Thank you. There. All done, Gracie. Good job. Okay, come on. Jump. And that honestly has been the absolute best it's ever been to do her nails. So that oil helps her so much, and
It's what I've used always when I'm working with her, reinforcing behaviors. And it looks like my daughter's got a hairbrush stuck in her hair.